Welcome everyone, this is Michael Lee with StockPicks Test Group. We're up to week 8 and today's date is the 17th of January 2017. And so for this week I'm just going to close out a couple of the trades that are in profit. We believe there'll be a little bit of weakness in the US equities or US market this week based on the uncertainty with Donald Trump being sworn in on Friday. So yeah, maybe a little bit of profit taking, but we're going to do the same and just lock in some of our profits. So the first trades we're going to look at doing is Amicus Therapeutic. If you go across to the right of the screen, you'll see close the trade, and we're going to just click on that and just close this trade at market. So you'll see there, type order, market, and close. So that's when the market opens up tomorrow morning. We'll just lock in that profit. And the second one is we're going to lock in profit for buyer script. Press the close button. Same again, at market, close, and that's done. So the other thing I want to point out, I did mention to you in the email yesterday that the Saxo Trader demo account is charging a little bit more in profit. Charging a little bit more in brokerage. And I'll show you what I mean. So the open price we paid for Cumulus Media was $1.06, and it closed at $1.06. So it's basically where we started, but it's showing here a $200 loss, and that's because that's what they're charging us for commission. And if you just go on the icon there, you'll see here's the commission, and there you go, it's $100 to get into this trade, but typically you only pay about $10. And then they're also charging us $100 to close, so they've already factored in what that profit loss is. P&L down the bottom, $200. Alright, so we're just going to close that. I'm going to show you what the CMC markets would typically charge for this, which was our original demo account, but they only gave us 7 days. So if you go here, you'll see CMC markets, and then you have shares and warrants, and then if you have a look at the online fees, you'll see less than 11 trades over here is $11, or it's 0.1%, whichever is greater. So on a $5,000 trade, which is what we just did, that would have been $5, so the greater amount would have been $11. So it does affect our profit on our test group, but when you learn to which trading platform to use, you'll be able to keep those costs down at some point. So we'll just go back to this now. The other trade we're going to do for this week is we actually believe if the market's going to go down, we're going to sell the US 500. So if you go into the left part of the screen, you'll see up here should have CFD indices, and we're going to go to the US 500, and where you've got the bid, you'll see the first one there. We just click on that. Alright, so open that up, and this is a little bit different to what you're used to, but you'll see we want to go to market order. We're going to get a quantity here because we believe this is going to drop maybe about 10 to 20 points. So we're going to go in at market, but before we do, we're going to make sure we put our stop loss and take profit levels in. So we're going to put our loss level here. We believe it's going to struggle to get anywhere near the 2,300 this week, but we believe it's more than likely it will get down to drop 20 points. So we're going to set that price there 20 points below where we are now. So let's go 2,250. It's going to be just a small profit. Place it in there. You can see that the value, the impact. So you can see there's not a lot of impact to our account. We're only using it's costing us about 600 for the trade. So we're selling this. We're not buying. We're doing a sell. So just press the sell. Confirm. And I'm in that trade. So you can see there is down there, I've opened, I've done a short position, and there's 10 there. So there is there. So it cost us $9 to enter that trade. That's it. So that's it for this week. I'm just here at the moment in the US, in Melbourne, Florida, finalizing the trading company over here. I will be ready to launch that very shortly. When that does, we'll let you know. That's it from here. I'll be launching, placing our trades for next week as well. Any questions, as always, send one on WhatsApp or just send me an email. Have a great week. All the best with your trading, and bye for now.